Hello, my wise elders. Welcome back to this great channel. Have you ever stopped to think that the way you prepare your morning eggs might actually be doing more harm than good? For many older adults, especially those past 60, eggs are a dependable, budget-friendly source of nourishment. They're simple, rich in protein, and easy to cook. But what most people don't realize is that a few everyday habits, little oversights, and common cooking mistakes can transform this healthy food into something that quietly stresses your heart, digestion, blood vessels, and long-term health. In this video, we're going to explore 8 surprising and very common mistakes people make when eating eggs. Mistakes that can turn this familiar food into something far less supportive for your body. These aren't rare problems. These are ordinary routines many of us have practiced for years without even thinking. Stay with me until the end, because you'll discover not only what these mistakes are, but also simple, practical changes that can help keep your eggs safe, nourishing, and truly beneficial. Even the smallest shift in how you prepare them can support your heart, increase your energy, and improve your well-being as you grow older. 1. Cooking eggs too long until they become hard or browned. Many people grew up believing that the longer you cook eggs, the safer and better they become. Maybe you remember the days when well done meant healthier, but here's what's often overlooked. Overcooking eggs isn't just about texture. When eggs become rubbery, tough, or browned, their proteins begin to break down and chemical changes occur. Cooking eggs at extremely high heat or for too long produces substances called advanced glycation end products. They sound complicated, but they're simply harmful compounds that accumulate in your tissues and blood vessels, contributing to inflammation and stiffening of the arteries, issues none of us want as we age. Overcooked eggs also lose key nutrients. Vitamins like B12 and folate degrade with excessive heat. The healthy fats in the yolk can oxidize, quietly raising long-term heart risks. If your eggs turn rubbery, dry, or develop that greenish ring around the yolk, it's a sign they've been cooked too long. And then there's digestion. Eggs are supposed to be soft and gentle on the stomach. When you overcook them, they become harder for your body to break down, making them less enjoyable and less beneficial. To get the most from your eggs, use gentle heat. Simmer instead of aggressively boiling. Scramble over low heat. Remove your pan just before the eggs fully set. They'll finish cooking on their own. These small changes keep your eggs tender, nutritious, and kind to your health. 2. Eating eggs with processed meats. One of the most beloved breakfast combinations in America is eggs served with bacon, sausage, or ham. It's familiar, comforting, and often tied to good memories. But pairing eggs with processed meats is actually one of the most harmful habits for older adults, and is a mistake many people don't even realize they're making. Processed meats are loaded with sodium, nitrates, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that raise blood pressure, clog arteries, and significantly increase the risk of heart attack and stroke, especially after age 60. When you eat eggs alongside these meats, you're not only increasing saturated fats and cholesterol, but you're also introducing chemicals that drive inflammation and oxidative stress. A Harvard study showed that seniors who ate eggs with bacon or sausage more than once or twice a week had much higher levels of dangerous blood fats and were more likely to experience heart-related issues. The eggs aren't the problem. The unhealthy meats sitting beside them are. If you want a heart-friendlier breakfast, replace processed meats with vegetables, berries, or whole grain toast. These swaps support your arteries, add fiber, and help your body make better use of the nutrients in eggs. If you're still watching and finding value in this, type number 2 in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and turn on notifications so you don't miss any helpful videos. 3. Forgetting to add vegetables to your egg meals. Eggs are often treated as the star of the breakfast plate, and with good reason. They're rich in protein and important vitamins that help maintain muscle strength and brain health as we age. But one mistake even health-minded people make is leaving out vegetables when eating eggs. Skipping veggies means missing out on fiber, antioxidants, and plant nutrients that support digestion, blood sugar control, and heart health. A plate of plain eggs with white bread or juice gives you quick energy, but can spike your blood sugar and leave you hungry again soon. Adding vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, or peppers slows digestion, steadies energy, and helps your body absorb the benefits of eggs more effectively. Research shows that older adults who consistently combine veggies with eggs have healthier cholesterol levels, more stable energy, and even better memory. It doesn't have to be complicated. Mix greens into your scramble, add tomatoes on the side, or toss in sautéed peppers. This simple addition transforms your meal into something far more nourishing. 4. Eating raw or undercooked eggs. There's a growing trend, fueled by fitness influencers and old-fashioned beliefs, that eating raw or lightly cooked eggs is healthier. But this is one of the riskiest choices for older adults. Raw or undercooked eggs can carry salmonella, a dangerous bacteria that can cause severe illness. As we age, the immune system weakens. A stomach issue that a younger person recovers from quickly can send someone over 60 or 70 to the hospital. Symptoms like vomiting, stomach cramps, and dehydration are far more intense for seniors and can be life-threatening for those with chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease. Some people think raw eggs provide more nutrients, but science shows the opposite. Your body absorbs egg protein and vitamins far better when eggs are fully cooked. Raw egg whites also contain avidin, which blocks absorption of biotin, an essential nutrient. So the safest way to eat eggs is with fully cooked whites and at least slightly firm yolks. Poached, scrambled, or hard-boiled eggs are ideal. Avoid adding raw eggs to smoothies or eating runny eggs, especially as you get older. If you're still here and gaining something from this, comment number 4 below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell for more helpful videos. 5. Adding too much salt or heavy sauces. For many people, eggs feel incomplete without salt, ketchup, hot sauce, or rich buttery toppings. But using too much salt or sauce can secretly harm your health, especially in your senior years. Excess salt is one of the biggest contributors to high blood pressure. Even small extra pinches can add up quickly. Salty sauces make it even worse, pushing sodium levels far beyond what's safe for your heart and kidneys. Many sauces, like ketchup, barbecue sauce, or creamy dressings, are packed with sugars, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. Even a little can turn a healthy plate of eggs into a calorie-heavy meal full of hidden additives. Instead of relying on salt and sauces, try herbs, pepper, lemon, tomatoes, green onions, or low-sodium salsa. These options boost flavor without harming your heart. 6. Using eggs as your only protein source. Eggs are fantastic protein, but depending on them as your main or only source of protein is a mistake. Your body needs a variety of proteins to stay strong. Eggs don't contain fiber and lack certain nutrients found in beans, nuts, dairy, fish, and lean meats. Relying only on eggs can leave nutritional gaps, leading to fatigue, weaker muscles, and even memory issues over time. Eating only one type of food can also cause boredom, making meals less enjoyable and pushing you toward unhealthy snacks. Studies show that seniors who eat diverse protein sources, like yogurt, salmon, beans, tofu, or nuts, have stronger muscles, lower inflammation, and feel more satisfied after meals. Instead of depending solely on eggs, pair them with beans, enjoy nuts as a side, or rotate them with other proteins during the week. If you're still with me, comment number 6 below. 7. Not practicing proper egg safety and cleanliness. Many people don't think twice about leaving eggs on the counter, forgetting to check expiration dates, or using the same utensils for eggs and other foods. But these habits can be dangerous, especially for older adults. Eggshells are porous, meaning bacteria can enter even when the shell looks clean. Keeping eggs at room temperature or eating cracked or expired eggs increases the risk of bacterial growth. Cross-contamination is another hidden danger. Using the same cutting board for raw eggs and vegetables, or touching raw eggs and then touching kitchen surfaces, spreads bacteria without you realizing it. To stay safe, always refrigerate eggs. Discard cracked ones. Wash your hands after handling them, and clean any surfaces they touch. Use the float test to check freshness. If an egg floats in water, it should be thrown away. 8. Overlooking egg allergies or sensitivities. It's easy to assume you're fine with eggs if you've eaten them all your life. But sensitivities or allergies can appear later in life, and their symptoms can be subtle. Digestive issues, rashes, headaches, coughing, or even unexplained discomfort can all be signs of an egg-related reaction. Symptoms don't always show up right away. They can take hours or days, making the connection harder to notice. Ignoring these symptoms can slowly drain your energy and affect your quality of life. Seniors need to be especially attentive because age-related health issues can disguise allergy symptoms. If you notice strange reactions after eating eggs, talk to your doctor. Simple tests can identify allergies or sensitivities, and you can switch to safe alternatives without sacrificing nutrition. Listening to your body becomes more important as you age. Paying attention ensures that food remains a source of strength, not a source of trouble. Eggs have always been a symbol of comfort and nutrition, especially among those over 60. But as today's video has shown, even healthy foods can cause problems if we're not careful about how we prepare and eat them. There's no need to avoid eggs, just make small, thoughtful adjustments. Cook gently, pair them with healthier sides, add vegetables, store them safely, and watch out for allergies. Growing older is about staying open to new knowledge and treating your body with care. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish yourself, and you deserve food that supports your best years. Thank you for spending this time with us today. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned and how you'll apply it in your life. Your comments inspire us to keep going. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Elderly Wisdom Tips and share. Your support makes it possible for us to continue creating content that informs and uplifts. We appreciate you watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.